Let's make twice baked potatoes. Rinse and dry 4 medium potatoes and then poke holes in them with a fork or knife. Place them in a medium-sized bowl and then add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and a few pinches of salt. I like to use a large salt like kosher. Then mix with your hands until evenly coated. Place them on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 60 to 70 minutes until soft when poked with a fork. Let the baked potatoes cool for about 10 minutes or so and then cut each of them in half lengthwise. Use a spoon and gently scoop out the insides of each potato and add it to a bowl. Leave some on the sides of the skins. Place the skins back on the sheet pan. Add about 3 tablespoons of softened butter, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half cup of sour cream, quarter cup of chopped green onion, reserve some for later, 5 strips of bacon which have been chopped, reserve some for later, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, again reserve some for later, and a quarter to a half cup of whole milk. Give it all a good mix with a fork or potato masher. Give it a taste and add more seasonings as desired, for example, adding the rest of the sour cream. Fill each potato half with the mixture until it is mounded. Then add some of the leftover shredded cheese to the top. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is completely melted. Top with leftover bacon and leftover chopped green onion. Then serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.